Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about how to create a dropshipping business but promoting it on TikTok. Now you know that TikTok actually already have their own shop and you can just create your own shop and sell there, or maybe you want to join an affiliate marketing and market or promote the product or the business on your TikTok. Now if you're wondering why would you want to do a drop shipping if you already have TikTok affiliates program on hand. One of the reasons that I could give you is because one, when you're doing a drop shipping, you are not going to be confined with just one supplier, meaning that you will be able to try to find a lot of supplier from different places and you will be able to compare which one of them actually have the cheapest price that you can later on increase so that you will get more benefit. Yes, it is a little bit more complicated than affiliate, but I promise you it's also a very good business and you will get lots of profit by doing dropshipping. So here I'm going to take a look at some of the videos that people make, and you can't really tell whether this is actually an affiliate or a drop shipping or even a TikTok shop video promotion. The only hint that you will be able to see is probably if they say something like Amazon's finds, and then maybe you go to this people's profile, you'll be able to see some link tree or any other website that will have a list of product or a list of links to the product that they're promoting. Then it's probably an affiliate business and not a drop shipping, because when it comes to drop shipping, you will want to actually create the listing at the TikTok shop, but you will not be the one who sent the product to your customers. So let's talk about what kind of product that you will want to sell. First thing first, I will recommend you not to sell anything with prints on it, meaning that if you sell something like, let's say, Gucci bag, fake one, or Prada bag, again, fake one, it's going to be very, very risky, because nowadays TikTok is actually very, very strict when it comes to content plagiarism or anything that could lead to your content being copyrighted. Even if you just put, let's say, pictures or video from the original listings, you will be able to be banned and it's not going to be good for your content. You can see most of the video that appears right here are a video of people using the product. There are no carousel, just simple pictures, etc. It might works at TikTok at the year of probably 2019, or just like, the very beginning of TikTok. But nowadays TikTok is very strict when it comes to content, so you'll want to avoid getting copyrighted or getting banned because they think you steal other people's content. As for the products that you can sell, I can advise you that you will want to focus on one or two niche. Like for example, right here, if you interested in selling anything about beauty, you will want to try to focus on the beauty industry when you're trying to build your store, because it's going to be easier for TikTok to share your profile to other people when they know what kind of market you're trying to take or what kind of market you're aiming for. So that is for the product. Avoid prints that are going to make you get copyrighted or make you get banned because they thought that you're stealing contents, and then try to stay true to a niche or two. Don't get distracted and don't sell too much category of a product. Now let's go to the supplier. There are actually several marketplaces that you can choose when it comes to be a supplier for your dropshipping. And I have several options right here. The first one is CJ Dropshipping. So CJ Dropshipping, just like the name, is actually a marketplace that focus on the dropshipping business. So you'll be able to find a lot of suppliers on CJ Dropshipping. Now, all you have to do is go to CJ Dropshipping and then register real quick. I already have an account, so I'm just going to go ahead and sign in. Alright, so this is how the dashboard or the homepage looks like. And you will be able to see the trending product, the bestseller, etc. And these sections right here will definitely be very helpful if you are a newcomer and you don't really know where to start and creating your listing. And what's even better from CJ Dropshipping is they actually have products that falls on the categories specifically for a certain marketplace or a certain social media. So here, I'm just going to continue and scroll down until I found this part right here. So it says you'll be able to find a recommended product for our e-commerce platform. We have TikTok Shop for US, we have Shopify, WooCommerce, regular TikTok, Etsy, and eBay. Now let's see what they'll say when we want to sell product on TikTok. So in this page, they already curated a lot of product that are said to be good to be sold on TikTok. And they have like this vegetable cutting chopper, and then we have like this set of clothes, we have jewelries and accessories, we have toys, etc. And if you would like to add this into your shop, all you have to do is click on it and make sure you take a look at all of the details. For example, the price of the product, the warehouse of the product, and then the estimated processing time as well as delivery. You will not want to try to choose a provider or a supplier that will take too long to deliver, because it's not going to be very good for your customer satisfaction. Take a look at the package size, the product information, pictures, etc. And besides CJ, you can also try to take a look at product on eBay as well as on Amazon. I do recommend you to choose either one of it. Don't use too much supplier's platform, because it's just going to make it very confusing for you, because you will have to keep on track on which products comes from where. And I'm going to try to explain to you even further later on the video. Now let's go to the part where you will have to create an account for a TikTok shop. Even though this is a dropshipping business that we're talking about, you would still have to create a TikTok account, specifically a TikTok shop account, not just your regular account. If you don't have a TikTok regular account, don't worry, you can still create a TikTok shop account or TikTok business account without having a personal account. All you have to do is go to the TikTok shop platform or TikTok shop website, and it's going to be different depending on which countries you are. So in Indonesia, this is the name of the website, but it might not work for you. So all you have to do is go to Google and then type in TikTok shop or TikTok seller centers, and then sign up your business through there. You don't need to have a corporation or any company's detail for this. You can just do it as a entrepreneur, as a solo entrepreneur. The only difference is just they're just going to ask a different type of document. For example, for the company one, they're going to ask for document related to company. You can't just use your ID. But if you are going to create a business account or a TikTok shop account based on your own data, you can just use your ID and then sign up using that. Once you sign up, you'll be able to see a dashboard that looks something like this. So through here, you can manage your orders, you can take a look at your shipping, you can fulfill your orders, and the most important part on this video is the product management. So here you will want to add a new product. Like I said earlier, you can only add product after you choose on what kind of product you want to sell, what kind of niche you will aim to, and which supplier marketplace you will want to use. And for this video, let's say I'm going to use CJ Dropshipping as my supplier, and then let's say I want to sell this product right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to download these pictures, so I can just, let's say, screenshot it in order to download it, and then I'm going to add the details on this specific product into my TikTok shop listings right here. You do want to pay attention to any unnecessary product information. Just make sure that everything is quite normal and there's nothing out of place. With CJ Dropshipping, you also have the options to actually connect CJ Dropshipping into your TikTok directly. And in order to do that, you're going to want to go to My CJ. Alright, so here I'm on My CJ, and then I have the options to click on TikTok shop on the store selection, and then I have the options to add my TikTok store into my CJ Dropshipping, which is very, very helpful in my opinion. So here are all of the notes that we need to know when it comes to connecting CJ Dropshipping into our TikTok. So make sure you read everything before you continue to connect it. And I think the point number 3 is the one that is the most important. It says that you should set up CJ shipping or returning warehouse in your TikTok management platform. If multiple shipping warehouses have been set up, CJ warehouse should be listed first. Here is the warehouse information. So here are all of the information that you will need to insert into our TikTok when it comes to connecting CJ Dropshipping into our TikTok. Alright, so when I want to authorize my TikTok shop into CJ Dropshipping, they're going to ask me on what kind of service or which area of service will I want to select. So I'm going to go with this one because this is where my shop is. Then I'm going to click on confirm to install to connect CJ Dropshipping into my TikTok. Once I got the product installed, I can just easily add my listing directly from CJ Dropshipping into my TikTok shop. I don't think that you can do the listing transfer directly if you're doing, or if you choose eBay or Amazon as your supplier. So what you're going to do is you just have to download on the pictures of the listing you will want to sell on TikTok, and then manually insert all of the data through this product management or product adding page right here. And then once you finish with all your listing, you just have to wait until someone buys the product from your shop and then fulfill your order, and that's basically it. That is all you have to do if you want to do the drop shipping business with TikTok. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.